Hey everybody, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a figure where we have to find the value of x. Now we know that sum of all the internal angles angles of a four-sided polygon is 360 degrees. Therefore, the required equation will be angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be equals 360 degrees. Now in the equation there is only one unknown and we have one equation. So from here we are going to get to the original answer. So angle A is 76 degrees, B is 55, C is x degrees and angle D is 104 degrees, which is equals 360 degrees. Now adding all the constants and shifting it to the right hand side, we have x degrees equals 360 degrees minus of 235 degrees, which will give us 125 degrees. Therefore x degrees will be equals 125 degrees and this will be the final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.